I am in BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. I am here for Digital Twin Immersion Program 2025.
I work in an automation and maintenance department for electronics. Come in contact with multiple things such as PLCs and then the SCADA systems as well as the SQLs. And this program can help me go through this new things that are helpful for the industry.
This is actually a very helpful course. It is a combination of IoTs, MATLABs and every programming language that exists. The faculty members are very helpful. They are very knowledgeable.
Since I am from a process industry, for process industry like heat treatment, it is very beneficial to us. We are planning to have some certain project related to this.
Faculties are very interactive and they have vast knowledge about there, having a pretty good experience.
Learning that I'm getting from this program, I think I will be able to give more output in my professional as well as my personal career. In this program, we are getting a chance to actually interact with our faculty members face to face. This program has made me become more confident.
I appreciate the BITS Pilani management for providing this technological program which has enhanced our programming knowledge.
I would like to really thank Tata Motors and BITS Pilani team for making us learn together, share the knowledge and grow together. Thank you.